Question C is a bit more tricky than question A and B, and for this we know that Kim buys a can of cola, a cup of coffee and a sandwich, and she pays with a £5 note. So the first step we need to do is add together to find her total cost. So we know that she gets a cup of coffee, which is 85p. We know that she buys a can of cola, which is 75p. And we know that she buys a sandwich, which is £1.35. So to do this, we're going to add them up in rows. So we're going to do 5 plus 5 plus 5, which gives us 15. We're then going to carry the 1 over at the bottom. We know that 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 3 is 18, plus 1 at the bottom is 19. We're going to put the 9 in there and carry the 1 over. We know that this row will equal 1, plus the 1 at the bottom will give us 2. So we know her total cost is £2.95. So we need to work out how much change she gets from a £5 note. So we'll do £5, take £2.95. And for this one we need to subtract. Now we know that we can't take 5 from 0, so what we need to do is take 1 from its next door neighbour. We can't take 5 from this 0 either because it's still a 0, so we need to take something from the 5 over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 and change it into 4. We're then going to give the 1 over to this 0 here. We still can't take anything from this 0, so what we're going to do is we're going to change this into a 9 and have this as a 10. So now we know that we can take 5 from 10, which gives us 5. We can take 9 from 9, which gives us 0. And we can take 2 from 4, which gives us 2. So we now know that her change is £2.05.